Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna jump right into the video. I'm gonna be using the shade Buns from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna blend it all over my lid using the Morphe M573 brush. And I'm just making sure to go over the color plenty of times to make it more intense. So now we're going to be using the shade Mocha from the same palette, and we're just gonna smoke out the outer crease. And like I always say, always go back and blend everything together. And we're just going over to build up that shade Mocha. And now to cut the crease, we're going to be using my favorite brush. Y'all know, it's from the Makeup Shack. It's the flat shader brush, but I still think they're out of stock. We're going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and we're just going to carve out the crease to like half of my eyelid. And right here, I'm just trying to like feather out the concealer so like it can blend into the eyeshadow. And don't forget to go over with the same outer crease shade just to blend everything out. Using my Morphe M521 brush, we're going to go in with Faint and Sissy from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're just going to put that all over the crease that we just carved out. So just using any flat brush, I'm putting the Too Faced glitter glue all over my lid. So now that that's set, I'm going to go with the Morphe 330 brush and just putting the NYX Rose Gold glitter all over my eyelid. And I'm going to transition those pink shades to gold shades with the Heavy Metal glitter glue liners. And I'm just going to put some of the NYX loose glitter over it. And again, going back in with the shade Mocha to blend everything together. Okay, so bear with me with this because I'm not the best at eyeliner. I really don't do it often. I really should, so I can practice. But I'm just putting eyeliner all over my lash line and just extending the wing. And just connecting everything together. Just look at that mess. Oh my gosh, I can't. See, look at the disaster, but thank God for concealer. Concealer like makes everything better. It fixes my life. We're just gonna go back in and carve it out, blend the concealer out, and look at how much better it's gonna look. It's not the best eyeliner, but it's something. Time for one of my favorite parts, the lashes. I don't know how to explain this. It just takes practice. And there you go. That easy. Well, at least for me. So now for the face, I'm just going to put concealer all over the dark spots I have, and it's just gonna make foundation just look way better. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan. Once all that is blended out, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Photo Edition foundation. I think this is in the shade Sun Tan, I'm not sure. But I'm just using the Morphe M44 brush to blend it all out. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer in the shade Light. And I'm just going to put that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and blend it all out. Y'all know the drill. I'm going to be using the Dimmer Blend Translucent Loose Setting Powder to set my eyes. I'm telling y'all, this is a bomb. I love it. And to contour, I use a darker foundation. You can use your cream contour kit. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing. But yeah, I'm just going to contour the fuck out of my face because I need all the help I can get. Somos cachetonas, so you know, gotta make it happen, gotta look skinny one way or the other. And to achieve that, I'm just gonna make my contour sharp as fuck. And I'm using some of the concealer I use for my under eyes and some of the leftover foundation and just blending it out and going in with my Dermablend loose setting powder and just carving it out again. I always skip around doing my makeup. I always do my foundation on my forehead last. I don't know why. It's just how I do it. Don't forget to contour that forehead. If you have issues with your eyebrows getting oily, set your eyebrows. Do not be scared to set them. They will not look ashy if you brush them off correctly. Brush them with the spoolie to make sure everything's off. Also, set that cream contour with some powder contour. I don't usually contour my nose, but when I do, I use the Morphe R33 brush with the same dark foundation I use to contour my face, and I just blend it out with the Morphe R35. Using my R41 brush, I'm just going to add some mocha underneath my lash line. And to make it smoky, I'm just going to add some black eyeshadow to my waterline and to my lash line. With my Morphe M508 brush, you can totally skip this step, but I needed some darkness to my eyes. And lastly, just add some mascara to your bottom lashes. I did forget to film this, but I did use my Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Dolce. So there you go, guys. That's my soft prom makeup look. I will be doing a dramatic one for those of you who asked for it, but if you like this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. But for now, just enjoy these clips of me feeling myself.